Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create an ad on Instagram. First, you'll need to go into Instagram. And once on Instagram, you want to ensure that you have a business account. And you're going to tap on Add Tools. That's right below your profile pic. Then from here, you can tap on Choose Post. And you can select the post that you would like to use to run the ad, or you can tap on story and you could use a previous story. For this example, I'll simply select this post right here. After you have selected the post, you'll tap on next in the top right hand corner. Then you'll be led to this page on which you can choose your goal, whether it is you want more profile visits, more website visits, or more messages. So let's say you want more website visits. Then you can see right here, you'll simply add your website URL. Then you could add the shop now button. Let's say you want to sell some items, so you could tap on shop now. And if it is a case that you want to tap on learn more, you can select any one of these action buttons. And if it was that you wanted more profile visits, you'll simply tap on more profile visits, then tap on next. Then you'll be able to select the audience, or you could create your own audience, meaning you can select the location and the interest that you would like your audience from. Then you'll tap on next. Then from here you can select your budget, and after you have selected your budget, you'll tap on next. Then you'll be able to review your ad, and if everything is in your liking, you can simply tap on boost down at the bottom of the screen, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.